Hello students, I am Komal Sharma and you are welcome to my channel, and here together we make maths easy. So today we will be dealing with questions on quadratic equations, the nature of roots of quadratic equations. So I have picked up some questions from exemplar which are important from the examination point of view. These are multiple choice questions today in the video, and by the end of the video you will be able to understand what is the nature of roots and how to find out the nature of roots. So the question says, which of the following equations has no real roots? These are four equations given and we have to say which equation has no real roots. So how do we go in for thinking? सोचना कैसे हमें? We will make sure that we know this. For no real roots, discriminant is less than 0 or discriminant is negative. Now what is discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So we will calculate b square minus 4ac, and for whichever equation it comes out to be less than 0, that equation will be the right answer. तो हमें क्या करना है? We have to calculate d, that is b square minus 4ac. So if I take the first equation is x square minus 4x plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from here you get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3 root 2. Now you have to find out the value of d, and d is b square minus 4ac. What is b square? Minus 4 whole square minus 4. What is a1? What is c? 3 root 2. So this becomes minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. Minus 4 3s are 12 root 2. Root 2 is 1.414. When you work this out, you get a negative value. Negative value means d is less than 0. Because we get d less than 0, that means this equation will have no real roots. So we can say that yes, this equation will have no real roots. But we will have to work out the other equations as well. बाकियों को भी एक बार solve करके देखते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं कि more than one answer is correct. So let us solve the next one. Let us see part B. So part B is x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 3 root 2. Now we have to find out d. This is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values and work it out. So 4 4s are 16, minus minus plus 12 root 2. You don't have to calculate it. You just say that the value will be positive, that is d will be greater than 0. d is greater than 0 means it will have real roots. So this is not having no real roots. The C part, let us determine the nature of roots. देखते हैं इसका nature of roots कैसा आएगा. तो इसमें if you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 3 root 2. You have to find out the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So this is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 3 root 2. So this becomes 16 plus 12 root 2. So this will again be positive. That means d is greater than 0. d is greater than 0 means the equation will have real roots. So this equation will have real roots. So this also cancels out. Let us see part D. D part is 3x square plus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, and comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. We have to find out discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b square is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 4 4 से 16 इंटू 3 48. इसको भी सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 48. दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. हमें क्या कंडीशन चाहिए थी? वी वांटेड d लेस देन 0, बट ओवर हियर d केम आउट टू बी 0. दैट मीन्स even this equation has no real roots. So according to this question, only a part equation has no real roots. So the answer in multiple choice question will be A. The next question. This is the equation given. This has 4 real roots, 2 real roots, no real roots or 1 real root. So again, for finding out the roots, nature of roots, we have to find out the discriminant. So first of all, let us open the bracket. So on opening the bracket, we will use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, because this is plus square. So square of the first plus 2 first into second plus square of the second minus x square is equal to 0. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो दिस बिकम्स x टू द पावर 4 प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो x टू द पावर 4 प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. But now the problem is it is x to the power 4 over here and x square over here. So what do we do? This becomes a equation reducible to quadratic equation. So in such kind of equations, we will say let x square be equal to y. So this equation becomes x square is equal to y. So this becomes y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. x square की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया है? y. So this is y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now discriminant in this case is b square minus 4ac. What is b? Quotient of y 1 minus 4. What is a? Quotient of y square. And what is c? Again 1. So this becomes 1 minus 3, which is negative. Negative means d is less than 0, and we've already seen d 0 से कम होता है. If d is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. So this is how you will solve this and find out the nature of roots.